iRacing's GT3 series is at Le Mans this week. I'm racing the McLaren 720S, which is the one I was racing at Road Atlanta, and also happens to be the second fastest car this week. I didn't realise you only get one qualifying lap at Le Mans, so I spent my entire lap warming up my tyres and brakes, just to get sent back to the pits halfway through my fast lap. I'm starting the race in P11, and I'm losing a bit of iRacing, which is not going to help me get to 3k. I need to make up some positions because I knew I had the pace to challenge for a podium. After the S's at the start of the lap, we get onto the Mulsanne straight.
Mulsanne.
I get a really good run out of the right-hander and I'm able to pass not one but two McLarens before the next chicane. But then I ran deep on exit and end up getting a slowdown, which was really annoying, especially on lap 1, and I end up losing 3 positions. Then for some reason I decided it would be a great idea to get another one, and accidentally run too wide on the entrance to virage, giving me another slowdown. This was not the start I needed, but it was about to get even worse. I can see the two cars ahead of me are battling hard, so I try to maximise my exit onto the long straight. I managed to get close to him and make a move on the braking, but then we make contact and he spun into me, putting me plumb last and giving me a bit of wheel damage. I personally felt I could make the corner had we not made contact, but I'd like to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments. I'm not really sure what he was doing here, but as we get to the Porsche curves, he randomly slows down the straight and then speeds up when I get next to him. I'm not sure if he was trying to give the position back or what, because I don't think he had to slow down. I made sure to give him as much space as possible going into the first right-hander, then in the next corner he hit me again. There was netcode which pushed him back out wide, but had that not happened he would have physically hit my car. Then again, which is really unfortunate for him, he turns in aggressively and netcode takes him out. I was just annoyed I got another 2 incident points. Now, I just need to focus on making up as many positions as I can. I do have a bit of damage to my car, but that doesn't stop me from overtaking the car ahead the next lap. A clean move down the inside brings me up in position. I'm able to catch up to the cars ahead super quickly, and then make a pretty boring overtake down the straight, bringing me up another position. From here, I was just setting personal best after personal best, and was able to catch up to the Porsche in front. I thought this was the final lap, so I was pushing really hard, so I was relieved to hear we had one more lap, which would give me another chance to overtake. That Porsche is really quick under acceleration, but struggles with top speed, so I knew I'd have to overtake him on the straight if I wanted a chance to keep the position. I'm not really sure why, but another McLaren just randomly slows down, but this time I don't have enough speed to overtake him. This was also building a gap to the Porsche ahead, which was annoying. Although later on in the lap I was able to overtake the Porsche after they got a bad exit. You can see as soon as we reach the higher gears, I'm able to slowly pull away. I don't move across the defender position because I know I'll just give him a slipstream and a chance to get back at me. None of that would matter though, because there was a massive crash up ahead and one of the cars ended up in the middle of the racetrack. For some reason he decides that reversing onto the racing line is the best thing he can do in this situation and ends up killing another car. This allows me to move up to P9, and instead of losing 90 iRacing like I was on lap 1, I was now going to gain 5. I was super happy with that race. Unlucky at the start, but my pace was strong, and I was the 4th fastest car on track while overtaking and with damage. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.